our monoblock refrigeration cooling system. First off, the overall dimensions. Front and back measurements of the condenser to the front of the evaporator will include 39¼ inches, a height of 27½ inches tall, and a depth of 24½ inches. Measurements for the back and the front fans will include 13½ inches in radius. Coming to the top will be the hardwiring that's required to hook up this cooling system, with the technical diagram on display here showing the specs and the requirements for this cooling system. Coming to the front will be the main evaporator along with the evaporator fan. In this area for installing this cooling system, measurements for this installation will include 23¼ inches in length by 18 inches in height. This installation and the front nose area is where the evaporator fan will face towards the inside, blowing the cool air off your walk-in cooler. Coming back to the sticker, this will run on 220 voltage and single phase. Coming to the back end of the cooling system will be the temperature controller to adjust the temp. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.